Hey guys, David the Influman here, and welcome to my Mobifirst Migrate review. Now inside this review, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that there is to know about Mobifirst Migrate. I'm also going to show you how it works, why it does what it does, and what it's useful for. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you all of the custom bonuses that I have created for you that you could use specifically for Mobifirst Migrate. Now my bonuses are going to be all about traffic, because what is the point of having a super fast website? That's what Mobifirst does, is create a super fast mobile first priority website. What's the point of having that without getting exterior traffic to that? So I'm going to teach you all about getting traffic to your website through my bonuses. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into Mobifirst. So I'm on the sales page right here of Mobifirst Migrate, and as you can see, the headline says, "Attention WordPress and Wix users. Never worry about hackers, poor performance, site maintenance, or hosting costs ever again." So that's a huge headline, right? So let's see if it delivers. So as you scroll down here, it gives you a few bullet points about what this product actually does for you. So it allows you to migrate your WordPress or Wix websites onto this mobile first technology with just one click. So if you own a website and it has very slow load time speeds, we're talking really slow load time speeds, then Google is going to penalize that website and you're not going to rank as high in Google using SEO strategies. So this is going to allow you to bypass all that by having a faster website that all you have to do is migrate it with inside Mobifirst Migrate with one click, and then it automatically speeds up your website for you. So we scroll down here, we'll see a little bit more about the sales page, and you see it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, if it's not working up to your expectations, you can return it. And it gives a lot of other good information, but what I really want to focus on is right here. So this is the proof that it's working. So it says this performance right here for this site was 25, and as you can see, the load speed was like 6 seconds, which is extremely slow. After they migrated it over to Mobifirst, you can see it had a 93% score on performance, and it went down to about 2 seconds of a load site time for this specific website. And I actually have this website up right here. This is the old version of WordPress, and I looked it up and I can verify it was about 5.6 seconds of a load time before moving it over to the Mobifirst Migrate platform. Now, if you scroll down on your own time, you can check out all the good information on the sales page. I really do recommend watching this video right here on the sales page, because it's going to show you how to migrate your site with just one click through the Mobifirst Migrate platform. Now, let's go ahead and jump over into my custom bonuses that I have for you. Now, in order to get to this custom bonus page, all you're going to have to do is just click on the link down below this video inside the description. It'll take you to the bonus page here. And if you click on any of these green buttons, those will take you to the sales page, which we just took a look at. So scroll down on my bonus page and you can see that bonus number 1 is rank any video. So in this bonus, I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube in order to get YouTube traffic to your website that you're going to be using with Mobifirst Migrate. So you're going to have a super fast website that's going to allow you to rank better in Google using SEO strategies, but I really think that you need to be using YouTube. So I'm going to give you this bonus right here. This is my personal training, step-by-step training, where I'm going to show you how to rank YouTube videos and get exterior traffic to your website. Now, bonus number 2 is my YouTube Hacks Plus. Now, this is a secret system that I use in order to rank all my videos without really having to worry about all that SEO stuff. This is stuff that nobody else shows you because it's so secret and so private, and it is a platform that I'm using to rank YouTube videos. I'm going to give all the secrets away in that video bonus. Bonus number 3 is Quora. You can use Quora to answer questions that people type in on Quora to get exterior traffic to your website and bump it up in Google. So I'm going to teach you how to outrank people on Quora and how to get tons of traffic to your website from Quora. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you Facebook money secrets. This is going to show you how to get people from Facebook onto your website. Not just any people, people who are really looking forward to buying something from you. So these are going to be buyers. I'm going to teach you how to build a buyers list from Facebook, get tons of affiliate clicks to your website in this custom bonus. Now, bonus number 5 is Instagram hacks. Instagram is also huge right now. I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram to grow your profile automatically without using all kinds of black hat, unfollow, follow methods, and take that traffic from Instagram, put a link in your profile to your website, and siphon all that traffic from Instagram to your website. So that's bonus number 5. And as you can see here, it has a 30-day money-back guarantee for Mobifirst Migrate. Now, let's go ahead and talk about a little bit more of Mobifirst Migrate and how you're going to be using it. So you're going to be taking your Wix or your WordPress sites, and you're going to be just uploading them to this Mobifirst Migrate. So with one click, all you have to do is take your website, click, and it migrates over to the platform. So then it's now hosted on Mobifirst Migrate, and then it's going to make your site a lot faster. So that's basically how it works because Google really cares about speed. Another thing to know about Mobifirst is it's mobile priority. So it really works to make your website look great on mobile because lots of traffic nowadays is coming from cell phones and tablets and different things of that nature instead of coming from PCs. So this is going to make sure that your website is mobile ready and efficient. Now, I'd like to transfer into talking about the funnel inside of Mobifirst Migrate. There is a funnel, so the front end, so you get the whole platform, but it's limited to only 3 sites in this front end section here. So once you buy the front end for $27, you get 3 personal websites that you can migrate over to Mobifirst. Now, the first upgrade I definitely recommend is the agency section. So this is a one-time $37 fee, and you can start your own agency using Mobifirst Migrate. So this means that you can actually sell this as a service and you can migrate people's websites over and charge them a monthly recurring price to host it on this Mobifirst platform. That is a huge bonus for one-time fee of $37. Now I did miss this up here. If you want unlimited, you can pay $37 instead of $27, and that gives you unlimited amount of personal websites that you can put onto Mobifirst Migrate. Now, OTO number 2 is Designers Template Club. This is $67 one time or $12 a month for 1 year. This is 10 premium website templates that you can start building Mobifirst websites right out of the box. So that means that you can start building your own websites inside of Mobifirst instead of just migrating them from Wix or WordPress. OTO number 3 is $47 one time, and this unlocks additional website templates, so more website templates and widgets that you can use to cater towards local marketing prospects. So this is perfect, say if you want to build websites for local marketing people, so like restaurants, real estate, different people of that end. If you want to try to build websites in order to get leads for those companies, this is definitely what you want in OTO number 3. OTO number 4 is Mobifirst Advanced University Training. This is going to be live training on how to optimize your site and design it the best inside of Mobifirst. So if you want advanced training on how to use this platform and really create a robust site that you can use for your business, then go for OTO number 4. So that is the funnel inside of Mobifirst Migrate. As you can see, everything here is laid out for you. So all you have to do is just come to the sales page and you can see everything that there is to know about Mobifirst. I definitely recommend watching the intro video. It's going to give you some explanation. And then secondly, like I said before, watch this video right here. It's going to show you step by step how Mobifirst Migrate works and how you can actually migrate your websites from Wix and WordPress to Mobifirst to make them mobile optimized and to make them faster. So lastly, one more thing is if you're interested at all in the bonuses that I offered you, all you have to do is just click on the link down below in the description. It'll take you over to this bonus page, and then you can decide whether or not it's something that you're interested in. So I'm David the Info Man. I hope that you've appreciated this review of Mobifirst Migrate, and I will see you next time.